state. For the first time in weather history, under that winter storm warning, 7 degrees in parts of Dallas and other parts of the state, breaking historic temperature records that have been in place now for decades. It could get even colder.
No, 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 no! Do that. We made it to the stove. We made it to the stove. 40s and 9s, my favorite stove.
Got something good to eat.
Like what? Chicken?
Yeah, something.
He's just crazy. Riding the UTV. Alright, we're gonna get milk. It's like a freaking ghost town over here. The only thing you can find is flowers. No milk, nothing. Everybody hoarding everything, taking everything all at once. There's nothing. What is wrong with people, man? We got ice for 3 days and we got nothing on the shelves. Crazy. Can't even get milk and y'all want to get rid of farmers for solar panels. It's a crying shame. Even the frozen food section is empty. That's crazy. A few expensive healthy choice stuff, that's about it. Yeah, Kimosabi. I can't believe you, dude. The shelves are empty.
I believe it.
No almond milk. We came here for that reason. No regular milk, no almond milk, no nothing milk. They ain't got nothing. Everybody is hoarding the shelves. Everybody is absolutely ridiculous. Just like toilet paper. Just like bullets. What's wrong with you people? Live a normal life, right?
Hey, you know what? Everyone's gonna have as much as full, Bill.
Live a normal life. Some of you guys still have 10,000 rolls of toilet paper. It's only 1.5 inches of snow. Y'all are tripping, straight up tripping nonstop. Stop it. I can't even bring home milk. I can't get milk from my baby mama. She needs milk for the baby. Doggone it. Y'all don't tick me off, right? Y'all get me started right now. But there's plenty of flowers and there's plenty of beer. I'm out of control right now, man. Hey, this is all they had. AJ, looks kind of like you. Hey, this is all they had. But you're hoarding people. What's wrong with you? Oh yeah, and they have beer. And they had vegetables and they had flowers, plenty of flowers. How come you hoarders can't buy your women flowers? How come you got to hoard all the milk that's going to go bad? We're going to have 65-degree weather next week. Y'all going to have enough milk. Yeah, and stop hoarding the bullets, too. Golly.
Find a temperature of 2 degrees below zero in DFW, 6 below in Denton, Sherman and Gainesville, 4 below, 2 below Fort Worth, 2 above in Dallas, 4 below Athens. Look at Palestine, Corsicana, they had 6 below. Incredible.
Since the 1940s.
Dangerous, fatal, cold.
Our neighbors brought us some bread, so we're giving them some deer meat. That's kind of what's going to happen. We're going to confuse the economy and start bartering for everything. There's ground meat, deer steak, and summer sausage.
Oh, sweet.
The steak?
Yeah.
It should already be tenderized, I think.
It is.
All you got to do, all I do is put olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, coat it both sides.
Yeah.
Montreal seasoning or any of your favorite seasoning, or just salt and pepper. Just simple. And you can either do it on the grill or you can do it on you like butter instead of oil? Okay. But yeah, if you like it medium rare, just get the pan really, really hot. If you have a cast iron, it's the best.
Right.
Make sure it's well buttered, oiled, and then make sure it's super hot so it gets a really, really hot sear and a quick sear.
Yeah.
Maybe like 2 minutes or 1 minute on each side, and then that's it if you like it medium rare. And then look what we got. What kind of bread is this? Some kind of a sourdough flaxseed bread that Carol cooks, our neighbor, that she bakes. And she's been doing amazing. This one flattened out a little bit. I guess it overproofed, but it looks great to us in it. And listen to this. This is what you're supposed to hear. That's the sound you want to hear, that crunch. That's what it's all about. We're bartering, man. I love it. being good neighbors. Thank you. We're going to go try it out, cut into it.
All right.
Our neighbor's beautiful piece of bread. Cut into that thing.
Oh. So they like to.
Gave him some deer meat.
We'll just slice it right down the middle. I don't think this is what you're supposed to do, but there's a serious crust on the back of that. We're gonna have
Nice.
There we go.
I like that.
Okay.
Let's see the inside of that. That's a lot
So
of
this is what.
flaxseed.
Oh, that's a lot of flaxseed.
Mom's favorite. Looks good. All right, try crunch. Let's see.
It's much better toasted, but. It's got that sour, yummy sour. These are good.
Yeah?
She's amazing.
Have a bite of that.
It's delicious. And toasted with butter is even better, but this is awesome. Isn't that good?
Oh, it's good.
We're just trying to be a blessing because she needs people.
She needs somebody to experiment. To be guinea pigs, and we told her, yep, we're in.
Whatever you need,
That was
I'll be
good.
there for you.
Man, that's good. Toast it. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Got the flaxseed in it. Perfect marbling. Looks good.
Hey, you know, you have to get resourceful. We're not snow people.
I'm gonna show you what I do with my dog food. My dog is super spoiled. What, buddy? I'm giving our puppy some food, okay? Yeah. So I give him. Let me show you how much I give him. Not too much. Probably about 1/4 pound. And I just mix it with his dog food. Just a little bit of deer meat. And it gives him a healthy coat and a lot of protein. He's a growing boy. Yeah, a little bit more meat. This is venison. And I'm using the old stuff from 2016. This is older, so it's got a little bit of freezer burnt flavor, but he sure does not mind it. He absolutely doesn't mind it. Hold on, Ethan. Go, buddy. Like that, buddy? Is that good? Like it? Okay, go ahead. You can eat, go ahead. He always gives me first rights if I want the food. Ever since I showed him dominance when he bit me. Tastes a lot better with that deer meat, doesn't it, buddy? Yes, it does, he says. Way better.